Boost Mobile versus Mint Mobile, which carrier is best for you? Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're diving into a comparison between two leading mobile carriers, which is Boost Mobile and Mint Mobile. And in this video, we'll explore Boost Mobile and Mint Mobile in depth in terms of their features comparison, pricing plan, performance, network coverage, international usage, and at the end of the video, I'll help you choose which one is best for you. So make sure to watch till the end because I've created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And to create an account on Boost Mobile and Mint Mobile, you could also use my affiliate links in the description below where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Boost Mobile, it is a prepaid mobile virtual network operator that offers wireless communication services in the United States, in which it operates using network infrastructure of major carriers like Sprint, which acquired by T-Mobile in 2020. On the other hand, Mint Mobile is also a prepaid mobile virtual network operator, which is based in the United States, in which it operates using the network infrastructure of T-Mobile, providing wireless communication services to customers across the country. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed by knowing other details about Mint Mobile and also Boost Mobile. So let's start by knowing the features comparison of Boost Mobile and Mint Mobile. And as you can see in this table, in terms of network, Boost Mobile offers or runs on the Sprint network, while Mint Mobile runs on the T-Mobile network. Now in terms of plans, Boost Mobile offers various prepaid plans, while Mint Mobile offers prepaid plans with bulk discounts. And for data speeds, Boost Mobile offers data speeds may vary, but typically 4G LTE, which is also same on Mint Mobile that offers 4G LTE speeds. And in terms of coverage, Boost Mobile coverage may vary depending on the location, also same on Mint Mobile. Now in terms of customer support, Boost Mobile offers customer support through phone, chat, and in-store, while Mint Mobile offers customer support through phone, chat, and email. And aside from that, in terms of SIM card, Boost Mobile provides SIM card for use in compatible devices, while Mint Mobile provides SIM card for use in compatible devices as well. And for data rollover, both platform Boost Mobile and Mint Mobile does not offer a data rollover. Now moving on to the pricing plan offered by both platform. As you can see here, in terms of basic plan, Boost Mobile offer or starts at $10 per month for 1 gig of high-speed data, while Mint Mobile starts at $15 per month for 4 gig of high-speed data. Now in terms of mid-tier plans, Boost Mobile starts at $15 per month for 2 GB of high-speed data, while Mint Mobile starts at $20 per month for 10 GB of high-speed data. Now for premium plan, Boost Mobile offer or starts at $25 per month for 5 GB of high-speed data, while Mint Mobile starts at $25 also per month for 15 gig of high-speed data. And now in terms of unlimited data plan, Boost Mobile starts at $50 per month for unlimited data, while Mint Mobile starts at $30 per month for unlimited data. Now moving on to the performance comparison of both platforms, as you can see in this table, in terms of network speed, Boost Mobile varies based on Sprint network coverage, while Mint Mobile varies based on T-Mobile network coverage. And for data speed, Boost Mobile typically offers 4G LTE speeds, same as Mint Mobile offers 4G LTE speeds. And also in terms of call quality, Boost Mobile has generally good quality calls, same as in Mint Mobile. And in terms of data reliability, Boost Mobile reliability may vary based on network congestion, same as on Mint Mobile. And in terms of latency, Boost Mobile varies based on network conditions, which is also same on Mint Mobile. And also both platforms offer limited roaming options in terms of its roaming services. And now moving on, in terms of network coverage, as you can see in here, the network speed of Boost Mobile relies on Sprint network, while Mint Mobile relies on T-Mobile network. And in terms of 4G LTE coverage, Boost Mobile coverage available in specific areas, same as in Mint Mobile. And for rural coverage, Boost Mobile may have gaps in rural areas, which is also same in Mint Mobile that may have gaps in rural areas. While for urban coverage, Boost Mobile and Mint Mobile has generally good coverage in urban areas. And in terms of coverage maps, both Boost Mobile and Mint Mobile provides coverage maps for reference. And now moving on in terms of international usage, as you can see on this table, in terms of international roaming, Boost Mobile offers international roaming options with extra fees, while Mint Mobile offers international roaming options with extra fees. And for international calling, Boost Mobile international calling available with add-on package, which is also same on Mint Mobile that offer international calling available with add-on packages. And in terms of supported countries, Boost Mobile varies coverage may be limited, which is also same in Mint Mobile. And in terms of rates, Boost Mobile and Mint Mobile has rates vary by country. Also same in terms of data roaming, Boost Mobile and Mint Mobile has international data roaming available with extra fees. Now for the user reviews comparison, as you can see in this table, in terms of network performance, Boost Mobile has mixed reviews, which is some experience issues with coverage and speed, while Mint Mobile has generally positive reviews, praise for reliable coverage and fast speeds. And in terms of customer service, Boost Mobile has mixed reviews as well. Some users report challenges with customer support, while Mint Mobile has generally positive reviews, praise for responsive customer service. Now in terms of plan flexibility, in Boost Mobile, some users find plan options limited, while Mint Mobile, users appreciate the flexibility of plans and bulk discounts. Now in terms of value for money, Boost Mobile has mixed reviews which opinions vary on whether plans offer good value, while Mint Mobile has generally positive reviews considered affordable with competitive pricing. And aside from that, in terms of international usage, Boost Mobile has limited options and higher fees for international usage, while Mint Mobile users appreciate the international options available with reasonable rates. And for overall satisfaction, Boost Mobile has mixed opinions in which some users are satisfied with the service while others have had issues. While Mint Mobile has generally positive feedback, many users are satisfied with overall experience. But the question is, who should choose Boost Mobile? Well, Boost Mobile is ideal for those individuals who prioritize affordability and looking for budget-friendly plans, and also for those users who live in areas with good Sprint network coverage, and those who prefer prepaid plans with no credit checks or contracts, and for those people who don't require extensive international usage or roaming options, and for customers who value simplicity in plan options and don't need advanced features. But what about Mint Mobile? Who should choose Mint Mobile? Well, Mint Mobile is ideal for those users seeking excellent value for money with bulk discounts on data plans, and for those individuals who prioritize high-speed data and reliable coverage, particularly in urban areas, and for those customers who want flexibility in plan duration, which is 3-month, 6-month, or even 12-month plans, and for those who require international calling and texting options at reasonable rates, and for those people comfortable with using online resources for customer support and account management. And now, in conclusion, the choice between Boost Mobile and Mint Mobile ultimately depends on individual preferences and needs. Boost Mobile offers budget-friendly plans with no credit checks, making it suitable for those seeking affordability and simplicity in their mobile service. However, its network coverage and international options may be more limited, but on the other hand, Mint Mobile provides excellent value for money with bulk discounts on high-speed data plans, alongside flexible durations and competitive international rates. With its reliance on the T-Mobile network, Mint Mobile often appeals to users prioritizing reliable coverage and faster data speeds, especially in urban areas. But ultimately, users should weigh factors such as budget, coverage needs, and international usage to determine which provider aligns best with their requirements. So that is just a comparison review between Boost Mobile and Mint Mobile. Thank you.